Hi everyone! For this final tutorial video, I will introduce you to the fourth mode of Pyramid, the SEQ mode. With the track mode, it is the second way to build and perform a song. First of all, let's see how to create a sequence. While you're in track mode, hold the sequence button and select the sequence number you want to edit. The currently selected sequence is displayed here on the left of the screen. Now, you can choose among your 64 tracks which one you want to hear in this sequence by using mute states. This is what my first sequence sounds like. Let's create two more sequences. For each new sequence, I will unmute more tracks to create a progressive introduction to my song. Each time I select an empty sequence, Pyramid copies the previous mute states. Instead of muting and unmuting tracks like you do in track mode, the SEQ mode offers an advanced system to play with sequences. As you can see, I'm currently in perform mode. This mode allows you to launch your sequences on the fly. You can select the delay Pyramid will wait before launching a new sequence. Inst means that the sequence will be launched immediately without any delay. Beat means that the next sequence will be launched at the next beat of the current sequence. And 1 bar to 8 bar means that the next sequence will be launched after 1 to 8 bars from the moment you press the new sequence button. These different perform delays will also define the waiting time for the mutes and unmutes in track mode. Before exploring the two other ways to perform tracks in SEQ mode, we are going to create a chain of sequences. Using the main encoder, I reach the first sequence slot and click to add the sequence 1 in the queue. Then, I input the number of bars this sequence has to play. I'll proceed the same way with the two other sequences we have previously created. This chain can be modified once it has been created. By clicking on the sequence I want to edit, I can either change its place in the chain, delete it, and change its sequence number or its length. Now that we've created a chain, let's see the two other perform modes. Play will run the chain of sequence once and stop when the end is reached. Loop will behave the same way, except it will go back to the beginning of the chain when the last bar is reached. The last thing you need to know about the SEQ mode is how to use track run modes. To illustrate this better, we will switch to track display. By default, when a track is created, it uses the free run mode. It means that this track will loop, no matter how long the sequence is. This is the case of my track 4. As you can see, even when the sequence changes after 2 bars, the track will continue to play and loop at the end of its 4 bars. Now, I will set this track in relatch mode by selecting track 4 and press track while rotating the encoder. If we go back to track display, you will see that each time the sequence changes, the track plays back from its beginning. As the last sequence is 4 bars long, the track 4 will be able to play entirely. The other run mode is called trig. Let's take track 2 in trig mode. Now you will see that the track will play just once in each sequence. After the track has been played once, it's automatically muted. With these features, you can now assemble your tracks and turn them into a song.